Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how AskCody's Welcome Plus solution makes visitor management easy. Let's jump into the AskCody Manager web portal and go to our Welcome Plus. If you have more than one check-in area, make sure you are viewing the correct reception by clicking on your email, the top right, and selecting one from the drop-down menu. We're going to look at our Boston reception. The first thing we'll see is the current visitors list. This page will provide almost everything we need to manage our visitors, such as their current status, name, company, their host, meeting room, expected arrival, and time of check-in. There are a few ways for a visitor to check in. When a visitor has been invited to a meeting, they are automatically notified via email or text with a check-in URL that they can use upon arrival. A touchscreen check-in tablet at the front desk, or through this page where you can simply click on the check-in button. Any method of checking in notifies the hosts upon their arrival. So when John Doe arrives for his lunch training, we can simply click on check-in and print out a customized badge label for him. We can also check out visitors on this page. Now if we need to manually check in a visitor who just arrived and hasn't been previously registered, click on Add, then Check In, and fill out their information accordingly. You can also add a visitor to your directory and register them to be expected if you know they're arriving at a later date through the same Add button. If you need to search check-ins from a previous time or create a history report, go to the Check-ins tab and click on Search Check-ins. Here, you'll see options of what you want to search for, and in this case, we want to search for everyone that's visited in the past year. This download button will generate a report of an Excel file of the current list view. You'll see the download button in various areas. To view and manage all visitors, click on the Visitors tab, then Manage Visitors. Here, you'll see everyone who's ever been registered. You can also view all expected visitors. Let's say we know a large group of visitors are coming for a big conference, training session, or an office tour. Click on the Visitors tab and go to Import Visitors. Here you can download a template file to fill out and then import it for your visitors or an expected group if you know the time they're going to arrive. The last tab is Hosts, where you can manually add internal employees as hosts, but this is typically managed automatically by your IT team. Thank you for using Welcome Plus by AskCody.